Guys, today I'm going to show you how you can remove the notification virus from ZTE Nubia Neo. So if you see something like that, the spamming pop-ups when you're trying to visit inside, or you have a lot of spam notifications in your notification bar, that means you have a notification software, and we can try to remove it by two ways: System Settings and Antivirus app. So let's start from the first method. Open Settings, then go to the Apps and choose CL Apps. Now check all the apps on this list, and if you see something strange, the app that you have not installed by yourself, the app that you not recognize name, just select it, maybe not this one, just select it and click on install. Choose OK. After that, go back to the app list. Now look for your web browser. In my case it's Google Chrome. Select the storage and cache and choose manage space. Now tap on the clear all data and choose OK. After that, your web browser shall be free from notification software. But you can also try to download Antivirus app, so go to the Play Store and look for the best Antivirus app for you. I'm gonna show you how you can do it in the Avast app. Click on the Continue with Ads and choose Scan Now. Now click on the OK and activate the switcher to add a permission to the files. Then go back. The scanning process shall start automatically, and after that your phone should be free from any unwanted software that you have on your storage. And this is the way how you can do it. Thanks for the watching, that was all I recommend, and goodbye.